shop's open. People are banging the doors down to have things rebuilt. Hello? Why, yeah. As soon as the rain stops in Florida, I'll be right with you. Till then, I don't want this stuff getting wet. My stuff. I need to put things in a better spot. I don't want a bunch of rusty junk at the end of my living. So, let's take these 1,000-pound monstrosities, these, put these against out of the way of that. That way they won't get rusty. I didn't go this far with my stuff. That's hard to lift off with one hand. Film for you turds. Alright, turd hopper. Beautiful. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.